Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Poorna Hari. I am studying B.Tech at Sai University, Chennai. In this channel, I make videos which will help you grow outside the classroom. In this video, I will share top 5 AI tools you need to master this year. Let's start the video. These AI tools can save your time and energy. First tool is notebooklm. Did you ever felt like I need to study so much for the exam, but I don't have any time? notebooklm is like a study assistant for you that actually reads your material. The best part is it even creates a podcast for you. You can listen this while traveling. It's like a personal tutor for you. I given all AI tools links in the description. Please check it out. Next one is Google AI Studio. This is the best tool if you want to build projects. You can interact with Gemini models, build chatbots easily, and the best thing is you can talk to Gemini in real time. And you can share your screen and ask your doubts about anything. It clearly tells you what you need to do next. Here, you can generate best AI images using this tool. Try it out. Next one is Lovable.dev. Using this tool, you can create best UI websites without coding. You just need to give the correct prompt for creating the website. It helps you to create websites, landing pages, and your own portfolio websites as well. I created this website in just 10 minutes. Next one is Napkin AI. Using Napkin AI, you can convert the text into visual graphics and good looking diagrams also. It is very useful for your college presentations. The best part is you can edit the flowcharts and diagrams easily here. Final one is Quizgecko. Using this tool, you can create quizzes from PDFs and different resources as well. Upload any file, it instantly turns into quizzes, flashcards and study notes as well. These are the 5 AI tools I use, and you need to use different tools for different tasks, right? I found one website where you can find AI tools easily. The website name is futuretools.io. That's it for this video. Suggest any videos you want me to do and like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.